Traders from around the world experience these problems, and worse yet, they don't even know about it. Hi, this is Imi, and I'd like to ask you this. Have you ever faced these problems? Are you able to win but can't keep your profits? Do you often miss trades due to fear of losing? Do you find yourself overanalyzing the situation at times? Are you too stubborn to get out of a losing trade? Do you find yourself exiting too early, leaving profits on the table? Have you been forever excited by Forex trading, yet you can't make it work? What keeps a trader on the losing side? So here I'll share with you what keeps most traders on the losing side, and that there are simple ways to switch to the winning side. But before we discuss the solutions, let's first explore the problems. You see, most traders are so lost in their greed and blinded by their fears that they don't even know these problems exist. It is important that we are self-aware. These big hurdles keep traders on the losing side forever. So I'm going to share with you what these problems are. Once you know how to tackle these issues, you will start hitting targets regularly, become a highly successful and profitable trader, and you will make your wildest dreams come true. Problem number one. This is a hidden problem. Traders usually don't know it exists. If they know, they choose to ignore it. To reveal traders' number one issue, let me ask you a series of questions. When you're in a trade, do you experience any of the following? So be honest with me and answer these questions. Let's begin. You find it difficult to control your emotions? You easily get angry and frustrated? You worry too much about losing? You often don't take a signal only to find out later it could have been a smashing signal, a lovely trade. And this is very important. When your trade is losing money, you wait and hope that it may turn around. But when your trade is making money, you'll fret and fear that it may turn around. Do you see the irony in there? When you see a signal, you hesitate to take the trade. But when you miss the trade, you wish you had taken it. Or do you even dread the thought of simply pulling the trigger? If you said yes to any of the problems above, or any of the issues that we normally face, your problem number one is discipline, my friend. Discipline. It comes to this boring word, discipline. Don't you worry. I have a solution for this, and I'm going to share it with you soon. Look, I know this is the fact, the ultimate fact, that you can't hit your goals without discipline. You can't achieve your objectives without discipline. No discipline, no success. That's true. And without discipline, you don't even know your goals and objectives. And without goals, you don't even know what you are trying to achieve. All this leads to endless frustration and confusion. So now let's talk about problem number two. This problem is a well-known issue. It's every trader's search for the holy grail. So the previous problem was a hidden one, or if known, they ignore it. But this problem is a well-known issue. So here I will share with you the second biggest problem that keeps traders from achieving their goals, and you probably know it, and that is probably why you're here. A problem that haunts all traders all over the globe. To understand this problem today, let me ask you this. Is your trading system statistically proven, if you have one? Do you know the win-loss ratio of your trading system? Does your system give you a profit factor of, let's say, 1.2 or above? Do you even know the meaning of what I just asked you? That's the other question. Is your trading system robust and easy to implement? Do you have any idea what is an algorithm? Do you have a solid risk management strategy? Do you have a simple but comprehensive trading plan? If you said no to any of the above, chances are that your number one biggest enemy is your trading system, if you have one. Let me bet on something now. Your trading strategy either does not exist, or if it does, it is not statistically proven, having an edge. It is not back-tested by professionals, and or it is not forward-tested by disciplined traders. You see, lack of profitable and statistically proven trading system is the biggest problem that everyone faces. We are all looking for the holy grails, but we can't find them. They are there. You've got one here, well actually three, because they're untested, unreliable, unproven trading systems. I don't know if you can even call them a system if they are untested, unreliable, and unproven. So now you see that lack of good, profitable, and statistically proven trading system is the second biggest reason so many traders struggle with making pips and keeping profits. So to recap, first problem is lack of discipline. The second problem is lack of a good trading system. The ultimate fact that you must acknowledge, both of these problems combined become your number one enemy Traders are trying to grow their accounts. They're trying to trade good signals and they're trying to make more money, but they can't. And when they ask me why they're having trouble, sorry, but your trading system sucks. That's true. So that's it. You know it now. In fact, most traders have rubbish, untested, unreliable trading systems. The question is, what about you? Forex traders from all over the world, they come to me and beg me to give them my trading secrets. So I do. I give them my tried and tested winning system and ask them a simple thing: record every trade in your journal. I even give them the space to do so. Firstly, they find it hard to record their trades in the correct manner. Okay, they will start their journal, they do their first post, but then they forget about it for some reason. Secondly, when they do so, the few that do, I find that they do not trade the system the way it's supposed to be traded. There's a reason for that. In other words, they break their own rules. They break the system by not following it. You get the point? Don't break your system. The system will only work if you follow the rules. If you don't follow the rules, you don't have a system. And this happens because they are not disciplined. They don't follow their rules and they don't have a mechanism to find out what is going on. The worst part is that they don't even know that it's not the system that's failing them. It's them failing the system. Oh boy. Yes, they try. When they try to do it alone, on their own, they fail. Join the T20 revolution. Those who join us and become part of our friendly community, AIM's Stress-Free Trading Forum, they succeed. We are here to help. We have worked with thousands of traders from around the world. Over the last 10 years of trading and sharing our ideas, we know what works for traders, which is why we have divided our training process into 3 stages. Everyone, beginners or expert traders, must start at stage 1. So you are no different, my friend. Your journey of becoming the trader you always wanted to be starts here, right now. Let's get you ready for stage 1. Here at AIM's Stress-Free Trading Community, the first thing we focus on is to learn to become highly disciplined and consistently profitable traders. You might go to other forums and stuff where people mostly talk about this indicator and that indicator and that EA and that EA. Those are secondary things. Yes, you have to have good ones, but what makes highly disciplined and consistently profitable traders is a different thing. It's something that is in your mind. So it's proven. Countless people have tried our T20 challenge and they have succeeded. So what happens is that they take the T20 challenge, they start trading the setup 1, and no matter who tries it, at the end of the 20 trades and at the end of the 5th batch, which is 100 trades, when they look at their records, and if they have done at least 70% of discipline, they find out that they get exactly the same results. 33% losers, 66% winners, including the break-even trades. This principle has been the integral part of our trading philosophy. So go ahead and join us today. We have 4 different ways to join in now. We have the platinum membership ending soon. If you are watching this video before the 31st of March, you still have the chance to go. Otherwise, you can get a 1-month subscription, a 3-month subscription, a 6 months, or a 12 months. Don't forget, if you buy a 12-month subscription, you get 4 free months and it's 20% off on the 6-month subscription, and you get 15% off on the 3-month subscription here. So all you have to do is scroll down here, click on this button, go to the next. For example, if you go there, you can go and do your payment, and that's it. And we will see you on the other side.